Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited. SQL Server Database Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers. Question number 30. How to perform anti-joins in SQL Server Database? In this session, we are going to discuss about how to perform anti-joins in SQL Server Database. First of all, we'll see what is an anti-join. An anti-join returns rows from one table that do not have match in another table. SQL Server doesn't have a direct anti-join keyword, but we can achieve this using not in, not exist, left join with where null functionalities. If we want customers to have not placed any order, then we can go and use this anti-join to achieve this functionality. We have different queries for different functionalities. Just see these queries over here. Using not in, select customer ID, customer name from customers. Where customer ID not in, select customer ID from orders. Here we are using a subquery. First of all, we are select customer IDs from orders, and on top of that subquery, we are selecting the orders which are not in this subquery. We have to be careful here. If not in fails, the subquery returns null values. If subquery returns any null values, the outer query will fail and the functionality also will fail. And coming to the next scenario, using not exist, it is most preferred functionality to get these kind of requirements. Here is the query. Select c.customer ID, c.customer name from customers C, where not exists. Select one from orders O, where O.customer ID is equal to c.customer ID. Here also, we are checking a record, at least one record which is not exist here, and we are going to display the main query. This way also we can achieve the requirement that we require, and it is a safer than not in. It handles nulls properly. That means not exist handles nulls properly. This is most preferred one. And coming to the third scenario, like using left join and where null. Here is a query. Select c.customer ID, c.customer name from customers C, left join orders O on c.customer ID is equal to o.customer ID, where o.customer ID is null. That means in orders, the customer ID is null, means the people who did not order null. Here the logic keeps all customers, but only those without a matching order will have null in the orders. We'll see the summary of all these functionalities. By using the method not in, it works but fails if subquery contain nulls. Not exist, best option, safe with nulls and efficient. Left join and null, very common, easy to understand. Anti-join, find rows in one table that don't exist in another table. Best practice in SQL Server is use not exist functionality. Let's see these things practically in SSMS. We are in SSMS, that is called SQL Server Management Studio, and we are in demo at GKey database. Let's see the table. These are the two tables which are having data. That is customer ID, customer name. In customers table, customer ID, customer order ID, and customer ID in orders table. Let's check the order ID table. Here customer ID is 1 and 3. That means John and Bob have placed two orders, like 101 and 102. That means 2 and 4 did not place any order. So we need to check these people who are not placed any order. This is the requirement to display the people who did not place any order. We have different functionalities here. We'll check one by one. Based on this data, first we are using not in, as we like seen in the previous slide. Select customer ID from orders. We just selecting this one. Here 1 and 3 are the customers
customer ID from orders to place the orders. We should not get this data because we put this in not in a subquery. By selecting these things, we are going to get that requirement. Customer ID 2 and 4, Alice and Mike are not list any others in the order table. Coming to the next scenario or functionality, that to check the same requirement by using not exist. For example, if you have any null values in this subquery by using not in, then it will give the wrong results. In such scenarios, it is a better to use not exist functionality. Let's see. Select one from orders O, where O dot customer ID is equal to C dot customer ID. It will just check the record not exist in this way, and the remaining things have to display. The same result we got by using not exist functionality also. Let's check with left join and where null. The same like left join, and in where condition orders that customer ID is null. That means there is no order placed for these customers. See, Alice and Mike are the customers who did not place any order in orders table. In this way, we have different functionality to get this kind of requirement by using not in, not exist, left join, and where null functionalities. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.